Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show y'all this Glam Madam Glam package that I got. Gel polishes. So I got a cat eye. If you see green all over my fingers, that's candy I was eating earlier. I was eating a sour pickle ball and my fingers got all green and my teeth and my tongue, but don't mind that. I tried taking it off, but it doesn't want to come off, and I tried using acetone to take it off and it doesn't want to come off. But anyways, I want to show y'all the cat eye polish, and I'm gonna swatch these on swatch sticks, and it's called Northern Lights. It's a pretty one, and this is the cat eye, and then it's a 5D cat eye. And then I picked up this yellow one, it's called Mimosa. And then I got this one, it's called Honest Sky, and this is a pretty light blue color. And then I'm just gonna swatch these for you, and then after this I'm going to take these off, and then I'm gonna do, I want to use the yellow one. I'm gonna do this one on my nail. So I'm just gonna leave y'all with the video. I'm just gonna be swatching the 3 colors that I did pick up. I'm going to link everything in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And at the top of the screen there is a discount code for Madam Glam, so be sure to use that at checkout. You'll get money off of your order. And I did use this color, like I said, I was gonna use this color for a design, and I did do that, and I did record it, but I can't find the clip. I checked in my library and it's not there. But at the end of this video, I do have a clip of the end results of the design that I did with this color. So pretty. So be sure to check out the description box. Like I said, there is a coupon code, and I'll link the exact ones that I picked up in this video in the description box. So thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you get notified of my next video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
You can't tell, like nothing I felt. My mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade.